close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
A good explanation in English. You have to be a good speaker in that conversation first. Get the point?
Yes.
Okay.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
but if there is no date, ada tanggalnya, we have to use it. I have a meeting in December because indefinite months, unspecific months. But because we have 25th, so the one we still use on, because on generally indicate a fixed day or a day.
And today we have airplane as a mass transportation unit. But if we think about that one more, we know that airplane need after. After is fossil fuel. And every single technology today used for mass transportation always using something burnable. And something burn will always produce carbon. Carbon is the something that make a global warming.
What is IoT? Please.
Yeah, IoT actually is concept where certain object have ability to transfer data from data over internet, and there are we thought interacting by human to human or human to computer. We thought it.
The medical informatics is the intersection between healthcare and informatics. So this is a multidisciplinary thing. Yeah. So this is intersection about between healthcare and informatics to improve healthcare and patients outcome. Yeah. So outcome. Yeah. Healthcare and patients outcome. Yeah.
Why does coffee bottle deserve to be drunk?
Because the taste of black coffee is very good for me, and a lot of people said that this coffee is very special for them.
And the first trimester, maybe the woman pregnant doesn't look as pregnant woman, but will be changed about her body. And then the mother's woman will feel maybe her body not delicious. Maybe feel morning sickness or body fatigue and other.
I will present about my topic is uses of machine learning. In this presentation, I will split it into three categories. The first is what the artificial intelligence and the category of artificial intelligence, and the second is what is machine learning, and the third is what the uses of machine learning. Okay, the first is artificial intelligence. I think you all know about artificial intelligence, right? That artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence or knowledge that processed by machine or computer system.
The medication was changed in 11 times. That is wonderful number for one generation in Indonesia. That's what's the impact of the change of our curriculum, education curriculum is very large because we must generate from earlier game to build another purpose in our future.
Okay, today is the second day to conduct our final test or final assignment, and I hope everyone can do the best today.
Yeah, I think virtual is not real, but virtualization technology in here, not a combination of the making process, is making something from physically to from to virtual software and application. Okay, to physical device to form virtualization for application and software.
Today, we use open Windows. That open browser is open source. And to use operation Windows, you have to buy it legally, and it's very expensive. And then you install open source. To have it, you don't need to buy it, just download and install it, and it's secrets.
SQL abbreviation from its structure query language. And what is SQL injection? Injection is one of type tagged by attacker that want to destroy our application or our website using inject some code, malicious code actually that use vulnerable from website or application and can run about like read or data, like updating or even
Nokia dominated mobile phone sales in 10 years ago. But after iPhone and Android appeared, the dominance of Nokia decreased. Nokia and iPhone become the biggest company for mobile phone sales. I think you all in this room use Android as your primary mobile phone. Anyone use iPhone in this room? I think no.
Organic farming is a farming which does not use chemicals or cloning to grow the crop. You know the crop? The crop is plant. Okay? And then it use organic material including fertilizer, pesticide and insecticide. Okay. It is natural. Organic farming is natural, not damage the soil, constant productivity, and then produce healthy food.
GMP is a method used by industry to improve the quality of process, to produce products without defects, or minimize rejected product. You know, an industry is a business activity. Industry is a business activity. And an industry produces two kinds of product. There are products and services.
Maybe today you can clean air with a mask. But if you don't aware about to control air pollution, maybe next 5 years or 10 years, maybe you must combine with both plan maybe. I think it's not funny. You go with both plan look like this.
I will talk about football in the last night between Liverpool and Arsenal. Okay, you know Liverpool and Arsenal have a match in the Carabao Cup. The winner is Liverpool. The score is 5-5. Yes, and then the match will end until the end of the penalty.
Join ALIFIA Institute, you won't miss class.